Do you see all these images? Do you see all these type of videos and how it's getting thousands of views, millions of? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to generate a dancing noodles AI reels. You can use it for Instagram, you can use it on your YouTube shorts, and you can also use it to generate an ad video. You're welcome back again to my channel. Please stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my channel. Give this video a like if this is what you are interested to know. Let's dive into the video without wasting much of your time. So I've opened a new tab and I'm going to type Leonardo.ai, which is this one, and I'm going to tell it to enter. So this is the Leonardo AI I'm going to use. So when you want to use this Leonardo, make sure it's not a sponsored one. Check very well so that you will be sure that it's not a sponsored one. And I'm going to click on it. In this tutorial, you have two ways to generate your video, to generate your text for the video. Either you use ChatGPT to tell it to generate the video for you, which we are going to be putting it here on ChatGPT, or you use Leonardo.ai. I'm going to be using Leonardo.ai to create this video. So first thing first, if you're just coming to Leonardo.ai the first time, you're going to click on this place, then go to bring you to a place where you will sign up. It's not showing me the sign up because I've already signed in. So I've already signed up, so I'm not going to sign up for the second time. So what are you going to do? You're going to sign up, but here I'm going to click on get started because I already have access to Leonardo.ai. And once it's open, let's wait for it to open for me. So look at it here, it has opened. And so when you come to this place in Leonardo.ai, they give you have how many coins that you're supposed to use. So when you get to this place, it's going to bring you to interface like this after you have already signed up. When you come to this place, click on image creation. It will bring you to a place like this. So when it brings you to a place like this, what you will do is for you to come to this preset and choose this finesse here. You click on it. Then come back to here, contrast, tell it to give you high quality. Then come to this preset style, choose on 3D render, come to generate mode, leave it at fast. Then image dimension, you click on this more, then it will open this place for you. Choose this Instagram, click on the Instagram, then come down here, leave the image in 4. Number of image you want to generate, leave it in 4. I think that is it. Then for us to generate the prompt image for for the noodles image, you come here and type what you want to generate. I've already typed my own and I'm going to paste it here. Then if you look at this place, it will tell you to say generate 24. That means this is going to take me 24 coins to generate. So I'm going to tell it to generate. I'm going to click on generate, then come down. Let's see what it's come out with. And this is the image it generated for us. Look at the image it generated. You can feel free to copy that prompt. You can feel free to copy the prompt that I use on this image. This is what it generated for us. So you come to this place, you say leave it original, then organize, leave it the way it is. Then here, if you want to copy the clip like this, you want to copy it, you can click click on this, then and this clip will be copied. Or if you want the image to be zoomed, you click here. If you want to change the background, you can also click here. But this is download and we want to download it to our system, so I'm going to click on download and it's going to save to my system. So let's see if it has finally saved on my system. I'm going to open it here and look at it is here. Then I'm going to close it back. If you want to generate another image like that is not this type, you can as well come to the prompt here and also change the prompt. This one say a whimsical miniature future figure compare of delicately arranged noodles pose in a carefree dance on the rim of a plate. So this is all the whole prompt. So you can, if you want to generate another type, you can as well do so here. So you can see all our prompts here. Thank you for watching and see you in my next. Bye.